Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play the song Made for Jesus. Made for Jesus, right? By John Mark Pantana. This song was a request from a subscriber. So, of course, we will do this video for you. This song, original key is in the key of G sharp, but we're going to be playing it in G flat because my range can't go that high. So I'm playing it right here, capo 1. If you're a girl, probably be easier, G sharp. If you're a guy, right here will probably be easiest, right? And I don't know if y'all noticed, but this is a new setup here. I recently moved, that's why it took a while for this video, but if you want to see the whole move experience, I'll probably link my wife's video down below somewhere. You can go check it out, the whole experience and moving and everything. But if not, let's get right into this video. We're playing G shapes, capo 1, okay? And deep in the caverns of your heart stood your beloved, your day star, fairest among 10,000 wives. Formed in the seasons and fixed the time, you gave me smiles in the morning light. Creation flowed from pure love. You were crafting, I was breathing. You were laughing, I was reaching out for you. I was made for heaven. I was made for Jesus. I was made to walk in the cool of day with you. And that's pretty much verse, chorus, right? Yeah, this is an awesome song. I love this song. I've heard it many times already. So thank you, subscriber, for requesting it. It's a great song. So here we go. We're gonna start with the G, and I'm doing finger style. So you can either single strum if you want to keep it basic, right? And then you're gonna go to your 3. Right, so if you want to play your 3, you can either play it like this, or you could technically play a 7. Whatever you like more. I kind of like the 7 more. They both sound good. So you start with your G, right? Right, you play that. After that, you're going to play your E minor. And then you're going to go back to your D. And then you're going to go to your C. So, G, deep in the caverns of your heart, E minor, stood your beloved, D, your day star, and then you go back to your C, which is your 4. The fairest among, you go back to your D there, 10,000 wines, right? And then you're going to go back to your G, repeats the whole thing. Formed the seasons and fixed the time. You gave me smiles in the morning light. Your C. And then you hold the C there. Creation flowed from. And then you go to your 5, which is D. From your love. Right? Then you go back to your G. And you were crafting, I was breathing. You were laughing, I was reaching. 2, 3, out for you. So going over that last part right there, just to clarify, so you go to your right. You were crafting, I was breathing. You were laughing, I was reaching. You stay on the 4, which is your C. Reaching out for you. So whenever you sing U, you're gonna switch to that D chord, right? You can play your D chord like this, or you can play like this. I kind of like it like this better. But yeah, you can do that. You can do that. Usually, with the D chord, you can have many variations. But for the most part, you can. Sounds good like that with your 2 here. And all right, so moving on to the chorus. For the chorus, starts with the G again. I was made for heaven. Right, that's 7, which is like your B minor 7 chord. So I was made for heaven. I was made for Jesus. I was made to walk in the cool of the day with you. I was made for heaven. And it repeats, right? I was made for Jesus. I was made to walk in the cool of the day with you. And with you. Okay. So to clarify, right? It's the same chord progression. The only difference is towards the end. You kind of hold. So let me walk you through, right? You play your G. I was made for. Then you go to 7, right? Your B minor 7, right? So I was made for heaven. Then E minor. I was made for. To your D, which is your 5, for Jesus. After that Jesus, you're gonna go to your C. I was made to walk in. So you want to make sure you're counting, right? So I was made for heaven. So for in between each chord change on the first 3, right? It's just 1 beat. Okay, so I was made for heaven. I was made for Jesus. So the first 4 chords, right? So it's your G, right? I was made for 7. I was made for Jesus. I was made to walk in. You see that? So you have a whole measure right there. A whole measure basically means for a full beat, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it switches back to 1, right? So, for example, I was made for. Right here is only 1 beat. I was made for Jesus. I was made 3, 4, and the cool 2, 3. The cool of the day with you, and it repeats, right? So those last 2 chords, when you're playing your C and you're playing your D, those last 2, right? You're holding them for a full measure, which is 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you switch to your D, right? So I was made to walk in the cool of the day with you. I was made for heaven. I was made for Jesus. I was made to walk in the cool of the day with you. And with you. 3, 4. And then go back to the verse, right? So yeah, it's not too hard. Try practicing strumming, snap, strumming, snap, strumming, snap, strumming, snap. What helps me when it comes to keeping the rhythm, keeping the tempo, I usually sway. You know, if swaying your body does help you keep tempo. You could also have your foot tapping on the floor, right? keep your foot tapping or your head nodding, whatever you got to do to keep tempo, do it, right? This song it's a very slow, very mellow song. There's not a lot of crazy strummings, to be honest. You could do finger style too, like I was made for heaven, I was made for Jesus, I was made to walk the cool of the day with you. So you could do that too, you know, experiment. This is where you could be very creative with these kind of songs. But let's go over the verse 2, right? So, cursed in the gardens of paradise, you knew the plan from the lover's eyes. To get us back, you gave it all. And filled in the likeness on flesh on earth, you bore the cross that we deserve, riding down on one knee. The Spirit's breathing now, I'm living. We've been married now, I'm seeing what I was made for. And then you go back to the chorus, right? I was made for you. So, for the most part, verse 1 and verse 2 are the same thing. The only difference is the strumming. Like I said, you could go without the strumming, but if you want to build it a little bit, build the song, you can. So strumming pattern will be so cursed in the gardens of paradise, you knew the pain from the lover's eyes. To get us back, you gave it all. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So if I can explain the strumming pattern, it's a little bit weird. The only reason it's weird though is because you're having these fast switches that require only one beat, right? And so all these fast switches basically changes the strumming pattern for when it goes slow on those two last notes, right? On C and D. So whenever you're holding C, how the strumming pattern changes right there. The reason why it changes, like I said, is because of the small amount of time you have on each note. So since you have very small amount of time on each note on the first 4 notes, your strumming pattern will be, so it would be down, 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 up, down. So that would be for each chord, right? So down, 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 up, switch, down, down, up, switch, down, down, up, switch, down, down, up, switch. And then here you change the chord, the strumming pattern. Up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. So on those last two is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you go back to the other one. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, right? Hopefully that made sense. I explained it as best as I could. Strumming patterns always change for many different reasons. But yeah, just go ahead and practice that if you need to. Reverse the video, re-practice it, practice as many times as you need to. Eventually you should be able to get it down. The whole point of my existence is to know you, love. The whole point of my existence is to know you, Lord. The whole point of my existence is to know your love. The whole point of my existence is to know you, Lord. Just to know you, Lord. Just to know you, Lord. I was made for you. And I'll go back to the chorus. So, yeah, it's pretty simple. I don't know if you saw that, but you're playing C, whole point of, and then you're gonna go to your D of my existence, back to your C, is to know your love, right? And then it repeats. The whole point of my existence. Sorry, right there I messed up. So you switch chords when it says the whole point of. So on my existence, you switch to your D, right? My existence, back to your C, is to know you, Lord. And then it tags that last part, and you just play the same chords. Just to know you, Lord. Just to know you, Lord. To know you, Lord. And you can honestly repeat that bridge as many times as you like. I think they only repeat it twice, if I'm not mistaken. And then right after that, after you're building, right? To know you, Lord. Then you go to your G, right? Your 1. I was made for heaven. I was made for Jesus. And then you end the song, right? I just want to say thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you, subscriber, for mentioning this song. I truly am grateful for your comment. Grateful for anybody that decides that they want to subscribe. Welcome to the channel. This is a channel that is meant for growing people that want to worship God with their talents, with their music, or they want to worship God in a different way. Whatever it may be, that's what I'm here for. Just thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. See you guys on the next one.